Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an ugly Christmas t-shirt. I've decided to go with the theme Granny Got Run Over by a Reindeer. I found this image of reindeer hooves on the internet, so I just printed it off, cut them out, and now I'm going to be dabbing white acrylic paint around them just to make sure it looks like a footprint in the snow. It's a pretty easy process to do. I just had to make sure that I didn't have too much acrylic paint on my dabber. I think that's enough right there. I put a few of them diagonally down the shirt to make it look like he ran up my back. I think it turned out pretty well, and it didn't take too much time to dry, which was really nice. I found these metallic letters I had kicking around too, and I thought I'd use them to put the word Granny on the front of the shirt. I'm called Granny to my granddaughter, so I don't use the word Grandma on this t-shirt. And I think I got it fairly straight. Tried to measure it out with the measuring tape there, but it's never going to be 100% perfect. And then I just dabbed the paint around on top of them. And then I got my red acrylic paint out, and I'm going to put a Rudolph nose right in the center. Right about there. I let it dry a bit, and then I peeled the lettering off. And that's what it looks like. It turned out pretty good, actually. And I got a lot of fun comments on it, so it was totally worth it. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for coming by.